everyone. Welcome to Brainy Hacks. Have you ever wondered why we need to learn math in school? I mean, we've got calculators, cash registers at the shopping center, and even bankers to help us with our money. So, what's the point of math, right? Well, today we're going to find out why math is super important and actually pretty awesome. Ready? Let's dive in. This, my friends, is a calculator. It's a handy tool, but do you know where the magic comes from? It's math. But what if the battery dies? Or you're in the middle of a test? You've got to know how to do the math yourself. Calculators are great, but your brain? Way more powerful. See? Easy peasy. Now, let's check out the shopping center. You see those cash registers adding up all your purchases? It's math. Behind those beeps and boops are some cool math tricks. Knowing math helps you understand if you're getting the right change and makes you a shopping superstar. Let's say you're buying a toy for $10 and a book for $5. If you give $20 to the cashier, how much should you get back? $5. Exactly. Math helps you keep track of your money and make sure you're not getting shortchanged. Super important. And what about banks? They use math to keep track of all your money. Those bankers? They're math wizards in disguise. They use math to make sure your savings are safe and sound. Even though bankers are there to help, knowing math means you can keep track of your money and make smart decisions. Let's see an example. If you deposit $50 and later withdraw $20, how much do you have left? $30. Exactly. Knowing math helps you manage your money wisely. Math is everywhere, even in the kitchen. Ever baked cookies? When you follow a recipe, you're using math. Let's say a recipe needs 2 cups of flour, but you only have a 1-cup measure. How many scoops do you need? 2. Exactly. And if the recipe needs half a cup of sugar and you have a 1-cup measure, how much do you use? Half. You got it. Math helps you bake those delicious cookies perfectly. What about constructions? Building anything involves math. Measuring lengths, calculating areas, and ensuring everything fits just right. If a wall needs to be 10 feet long and you have 2 5-foot pieces, do you have enough? Yes. Right. Math helps you figure out exactly what you need. Building something awesome requires some serious math skills. Even games use math. From board games to video games, math is behind the fun. When you roll dice, you're using probability. Calculating your chances of landing on a certain spot is pure math magic. And in video games, you use math to solve puzzles, manage resources, and level up. Math makes games more fun and challenging. But math isn't just about numbers. It teaches you amazing life skills too. Like what? Like learning from mistakes. When you solve a problem and it's wrong, you get to try again. That's perseverance. And collaboration. Working on math problems together helps you learn from each other, which is an important skill in today's life. And don't forget communication. Explaining your answers and how you got them helps everyone understand better. And let's not forget critical thinking. Math helps you think logically and solve problems efficiently. Math is even in nature. Patterns, shapes, and numbers are all around us. Look at this spider web. See the symmetry and shapes? That's math in action. And this sunflower? Its seeds follow a spiral pattern called the Fibonacci sequence, nature's own math masterpiece. So, next time you wonder why we need math, remember it's not just about numbers. It's about understanding the world, working together, and becoming super problem solvers. Math makes you unstoppable. Thanks for joining us. And don't be afraid of making mistakes because mistakes ignite the brain's insight. Thanks for watching Brainy Hacks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math-tastic adventures. See you next time, and keep exponentially Remember to stay curious, keep learning, and remember, math is magic. Bye bye.